In this video, we will talk about how to use Internet of Things, IoT, devices in your home productivity and tools. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices that communicate and share data with each other via the Internet. In a home setting, IoT devices can significantly improve productivity and convenience by automating everyday tasks and enhancing control over household appliances. I'll outline how to use IoT devices for various aspects of your home life, with a focus on productivity and useful tools. 1. Smart lighting. IoT-enabled smart lighting systems, such as Philips Hue, bring convenience and control to home lighting. These systems allow users to adjust the brightness and color, and turn lights on or off remotely using mobile apps or voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. One of the key benefits is that you don't need to manually control the lighting, making everyday tasks easier. For example, if you're away from home and want to make it seem like someone's there, you can turn your lights on remotely via the app. In addition to convenience, smart lighting can help create specific atmospheres for different times of the day. You can set routines where the lights gradually brighten in the morning to help you wake up naturally, or dim in the evening to prepare for bedtime. The ability to change the color of the lights also makes it fun to match the mood or theme of a room, whether you want a cozy warm glow for relaxing or bright, cool tones for working. Another big advantage is energy efficiency. Since smart lighting systems can be automated to turn off when not needed, they help reduce electricity usage. For instance, you can schedule the lights to automatically turn off when you leave the house or program them to shut down when natural sunlight is enough. This ensures you don't waste energy, making your home more eco-friendly and helping to lower electricity bills. Many smart lighting systems also track energy consumption, giving you data that helps you understand your habits and optimize energy savings even further. Overall, IoT smart lighting systems like Philips Hue provide an ideal blend of flexibility, automation, and energy-saving features, making them a great addition to any modern home. They enhance both the functionality and ambience of living spaces, making everyday life easier and more efficient. 2. Smart thermostats. Smart thermostats like Nest and ecobee are innovative devices that help you manage your home's temperature through smartphone apps. These thermostats not only let you control heating and cooling remotely, but they also learn your daily routines. Over time, they adjust automatically based on your habits, ensuring that the temperature is comfortable when you're home and energy efficient when you're not. For example, if you're away from home, these thermostats can lower the heat or air conditioning to save energy. Before you return, they can adjust the temperature to your preferred level, so your home is always comfortable when you walk in. This ability to optimize energy usage can lead to significant savings on your energy bills, and many users find it reduces their environmental impact as well. These thermostats can also be integrated with other Internet of Things, IoT, devices, such as smart speakers, for voice control. This combination of automation, remote access, and energy efficiency makes devices like Nest and ecobee ideal for creating a smart, eco-friendly home. 3. Smart plugs and outlets. Smart plugs make regular household appliances smart by allowing you to control them remotely through an app or voice command. You can easily automate tasks, like setting lights to turn on at sunset or turning off your coffee maker after you're done. This adds convenience to your daily routine. Many smart plugs also have energy monitoring features, which help you track how much electricity your devices are using. With this information, you can make smarter choices about reducing energy consumption and saving on electricity costs. Smart plugs are a simple and affordable way to make your home smarter. 4. Smart security systems. IoT security devices, such as Ring and Nest, provide peace of mind by enabling remote monitoring of your home. These systems include smart cameras, doorbells, and motion sensors that send real-time alerts to your phone. You can watch live footage of your home or communicate with visitors even when you're away. Smart locks also allow keyless entry, further enhancing home security and convenience. 5. Voice assistants. Devices like Amazon Echo or Google Nest serve as central hubs for controlling other IoT devices in your home through voice commands. You can ask your assistant to control lighting, play music, or set reminders. These assistants streamline everyday tasks, offering hands-free control over multiple connected devices, helping you stay organized and efficient in managing your home. 6. Smart appliances. IoT appliances like smart fridges, ovens, and washing machines are designed to make home management easier. For example, a smart refrigerator can remind you of expiring groceries, while a smart oven allows remote control of cooking settings. These appliances save time by simplifying everyday tasks, providing convenience through remote access and automation, and improving overall efficiency in household chores. 7. Smart speakers and entertainment systems. IoT speakers like Sonos or Apple HomePod enhance home entertainment by offering voice-controlled music playback across rooms. With systems like Roku or Chromecast, you can stream content effortlessly, switching between movies or music with a voice command. These systems improve the home entertainment experience, allowing users to control media easily without needing multiple remotes or apps. 8. Smart home hubs. A smart hub, such as Samsung SmartThings, acts as a central system to control all IoT devices in your home. It allows seamless integration of different devices, enabling them to work together. For instance, you can set routines where lights turn off, and the thermostat adjusts automatically when you leave home. This centralized control enhances convenience and helps users manage their smart homes more effectively. 9. Smart home office solutions. IoT devices like smart desks and lighting systems can improve productivity in home offices. Adjustable smart desks allow you to switch between sitting and standing positions at the push of a button. Smart lighting, meanwhile, can be programmed to provide optimal brightness for working or relaxing, helping create a focused work environment and making your home office more comfortable and efficient. 10. Health and wellness devices. IoT devices like fitness trackers, smart scales, and sleep monitors improve personal health management. These devices track physical activity, body weight, and sleep patterns, providing valuable data to help users stay fit and healthy. Wearables like Fitbit sync with home devices, alerting users to activity milestones or monitoring health trends, ultimately improving wellness through easy-to-access insights and recommendations. Integrating IoT devices into your home can transform how you live, work, and manage daily tasks. From improving energy efficiency and security to streamlining everyday activities, IoT technology offers a wealth of possibilities that can enhance productivity and convenience. By choosing the right devices for your specific needs, you can create a smart home that adapts to your lifestyle, helping you save time, energy, and effort while enjoying the benefits of modern technology. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.